What's up guys, welcome to Virtualization channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to enable virtualization from BIOS settings for noxplayer. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel then hit subscribe button, and without wasting time let's start our video. So first of all, restart your PC to open BIOS settings. So now press F2 and delete key to open BIOS. So we are in our BIOS settings. So now go to advanced mode, and after that again click on advanced, and as you are watching here we have option of SA configuration. So go to this option, and here you have option of virtual. So already in my PC it's disabled, and now I enable this option to enable virtualization. So after enabling, let's save these settings. Now click on exit, and after that we have option of save changes and reset. Just click on OK to save these new settings, and after that just start your PC and your virtualization is enabled for noxplayer. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this video then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to Virtualization channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.